Hey there, pasta fans! Welcome to Speedy Chef, the show where we learn cool cooking tricks together. Today, we're going on a trip to Italy to become pasta pros. We're not just making plain spaghetti here. Get ready to learn 29 different kinds of pasta, each one special and delicious. We'll show you how to make everything step by step, from simple orecchiette to fancy Lorighittas. So, everyone grab your aprons, and let's get cooking. Water and semolina, that's all we need. Let's make something amazing. Eggs make our pasta smooth and give it a beautiful yellow color. Fresh spinach makes our pasta green and adds healthy stuff. Squid ink makes a cool black pasta that tastes a little like the ocean. These little shells are perfect for holding lots of yummy sauce. These little ears look cool and taste even better. These grooves from Sardinia are perfect for holding on to sauces. This pasta from Liguria is perfect with pesto sauce. Making these spirals with a stick is like art. These are so beautifully braided, they take a lot of love to make. These ribbons are perfect with any kind of sauce. These wide ribbons are perfect for thick, flavorful sauces. We use a special tool called a Chitarra to make these perfectly square noodles. These little rings are usually filled with something savory and delicious. We can fill these with so many different things. They're like little presents. These cute little hats are perfect for catching every drop of sauce. We roll these squares of dough into yummy tubes. These coin-shaped pasta have beautiful patterns. They're almost too pretty to eat. This hand-rolled pasta has a funny name that makes everyone curious. Yay, you did it! You're now a pasta master. You've learned how to make 29 amazing kinds of pasta. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get. So don't be afraid to try new things and find your own pasta style. Which shape are you going to try first? Tell us in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Speedy Chef for more fun cooking videos, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss anything new. Want to learn even more about Italian food? Check out our Speedy Chef playlist for more pasta tips, sauce recipes, and other Italian dishes. Until next time, happy cooking.